2018 Honda Fit today. I'm worried what people are going to think about me with this puny battery. So this is a 151R and then go into a 51R. More cold cranking amps. I believe the R stands for reverse terminals and the S stands for series. This is supposed to be a pretty easy swap. We'll see. I'm going to do it two different ways too, with the original battery tray and replacing the battery tray for 51R series. Not to mention this little guy's at the end of its life and it's more expensive than the larger battery. Right. I always take negative off first. Got one in here. This car is designed to have the 51R series, and that's what they have in Japanese type vehicles. So a vehicle sold in Japan versus USA. This thing on here. So the height looks the same, one's just longer than the other. Let me see if I can get this box out of here. And it does. Alright, here's the battery tray. Not even bolted down. So I got another one to order off Amazon, and I'll redo this part of the video once that comes in. But I'm just going to modify this tray for now. This battery hold down, it's going to lock this all together right there and right there. No way this battery is going to fit in this tray, so I'm going to cut this portion out. Here's an example of that. There's that. The 151R battery is never going back in this car, so I don't really care about this tray. Like I said, I'm getting a new tray anyway, so this is just an example. And I'm hoping the new tray is going to be sealed on the bottom so it can contain any crap that leaks out of that battery. Let's see if she fits. Oh, like a glove. It goes in this way. I'm just going to rub a terminal cleaner across that before I bolt this all back together. So I get this big honker in there. Compared to my other cars, this battery is still tiny. Battery tray finally came in across the big pond. And this is the part number, at least on Amazon. Maybe all together. I'll take this battery back out and then get that tray swapped out. I'm gonna take a second to note that this is a rebuilt title car. The front end was smashed on it. So this probably got sheared at that point. The new tray has got a couple locating pins on it. Really kind of a flimsy thing. It's like $15 or $20. But it should, for the most part, hold corrosive liquids that come down off that battery. I gotta get this plastic. I just pulled it right out. What's left of that? Don't forget this thing. Where does it go? That cable goes in front of that tray on this thing right there. I never use this stuff, but I got a can for shits and grins. Is this how you're supposed to use it? Just over the top like that? One other thing I should add is always date your battery. I got a silver Sharpie here. Starting out perfectly fine. I hope this deal's got a reboot or something. Looks like it. So for anyone else watching my channel, got some interesting stuff. Got more crap packed in this garage. Working on swivel buckets for the 442. It's gonna be 500 cubic inch Pontiac block coming up. This is the original motor for this Firebird here. We're gonna freshen it up a little bit and put it back in there because the motor that's in there is blowing the blues. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.